So first we are going to grab the cylinder and make it into division of 4. So basically turning a circle to a square, and from there I usually duplicate the object so that way it could be all stuck together. And mind you, it's the same layer. So I know it's all speedy here, but that's because I'm going to show you how to duplicate it in one of the areas. I just feel like speeding up here because I personally made a mistake of putting it together when it's not really together. You can even see it in here of what I done. So I corrected my mistake here. Make sure the light is actually off, by the way, and then put it together. Otherwise it's not gonna work, you know, that sort of thing. And I'm just saying this as like a little tidbit, okay? After that, I then do this whole thing of duplicating, which is that button you just saw right there in the arrow next to me, and then I just put the drawers on the 3D from the drawers here. After I literally duplicate them multiple times, I draw afterwards, and with the 4.0 update in Clojure Paint you can do that. Also, I used the round bowl, spear, torpedo, I don't know what it's called. I just press the what looks round and use a 3D model together with the spear sort of 3D models. Let's get to the drawing part. So we get to the drawing part. After you draw the parts of what you're gonna keep and also not keep, I go to export and then go to the clip new stuff finimajig. I don't know how to explain it. And then after I made the whole thing, I put it into PNG file. And also you could get rid of the UV map by putting the picture on top of the UV map. I did that because I don't need the whole thing together. So with the UV map, you can get rid of some parts to keep the consistency. Also, sorry if it went too fast there. Basically, I just did the whole texture stuff, exporting in and out, and then put this oh my god, what is it called? 3D model into a 3D image, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope you liked that video, and yeah, I hope I explained it well. So yeah.